With the development of the iron and steel industry, the natural stock of ore decreases, thus beneficiation process rises, iron ore powder and concentrate increase. In order to broaden the iron-bearing resources, the sintering industry has developed rapidly. However, the powder produced during the mining process will affect the permeability of the furnace due to the small particle size. If the particles are too coarse, it will affect the speed of reaction. Therefore, the powdered ore must be briquetted with a special binder before entering the furnace. Sichuan Jianjie is a technology-based enterprise integrating R&D, production, sales and service. Jianjie Binder for sintering, with high bonding, contains heat-resistant components. With less dosage, it will achieve high forming rate, high compressive strength, and improve grade of briquettes. It can improve the permeability of the material layer and reduce the pulverization rate during sintering cooling. Our binder have been recognized by our customers and have remarkable effects and results in long-term production. Please contact us for more solutions.